Can I title this? Beware the Coco Loco.
No, it was the True Lose.
It is 3:27. We got to be back on by 4:30, so let's head back to the ship.
Yeah, it's time.
We are just getting to Coco Cay. I've been sitting out here watching the sunrise, of course, and I got my rainbow over here. This view right here. Oh, and this view right here. Let's not forget that. As we turn and catch a glimpse of one of our favorite places to visit, Coco Cay or Coco Cay. We have this debate and argument a lot. We do know that CIY is pronounced key. However, in Royal Caribbean's own song, they do say perfect day at Coco Cay. Good morning, guys. And look who we're coming in next to. We're coming in next to Independence of the Seas. So are you guys ready for a perfect day? Yeah? Let's keep it down though so we don't wake our neighbors, guys. It is still early. We did order some room service this morning. We got some donuts and fruit plates. Mommy got some tea, and Daddy got some coffee. And you guys got orange juice and apple juice. Guys, just a reminder, on Royal Caribbean, continental breakfast items are complimentary. So it's a nice little wake-up call. We picked between 6 and 6:30 this morning. It came at 6:10. We always leave one of our magnets on the back of the door, a couple of dollars for a tip for the person who delivers our room service. Okay, I think we're ready. We're not ready? What do we need?
I need my hairbrush.
It's in my bag. Let's go. All right.
You didn't know you packed, but you packed.
Shh, it's still early. It is 7:42. Gangway opens at 8. You ready? Who's ready for a perfect day?
Let's do this. Oh my goodness, mass exodus.
I guess Coco Cay is a good place to go.
Well now, that took 18 minutes from the time they opened the gateway. Not as bad as everybody thinks, you know.
Rigby. Well, we got a great spot again today. We are in between the Oasis Lagoon, the Chill Grill for our food, and conveniently, there's some bathrooms right there. So, Chill Island's right over there. Splash pad's right behind us. We're in a prime location. There's the gang getting all set up. We got nice dry towels. We got chairs. We got everything. We're good to go?
Yeah.
All right, let's get situated here. What do you think, Tyler?
Oh, it's tasty.
Yeah. Let's see how he says after 3 of those. What do you think?
They're good. I'm not sure what I'm tasting, but they're good.
And Kate got a Coco Loco?
Nope.
Nope. Kate is afraid of the Coco Loco. Went on Coco Cay. Beware the Coco Loco. So of course we love sharing little tips as we find them here. So we are at the Oasis Lagoon in Coco Cay, and we're right next to one of these light poles here. We found right here this little box with an outlet in it. Your Wi-Fi package works here. Maybe next time I'll bring the laptop and I'll just work from Coco Cay. Plug that all in right here, sit by the pool, and enjoy the day. With a Coco Loco, of course. Got a little bit of a crack of lightning here, so the Oasis Lagoon is now empty, and they're probably getting people out of the ocean too over on the beach side. But hopefully this storm will pass real quick. Maybe we get a little wet. We'll be back open in a few minutes, right?
As soon as it disappears.
It happens, right?
Yeah. It's the type of time.
We'll be all good. We'll be back open in a few minutes here. Good time to tour around. It's all good. A little bit of rain. And when it rains, we play football.
All right, so if you can hear the announcement, they're temporarily closing the pool and the water slides in the park because they have detected lightning, and I think you just saw a bolt up there. And here I hear that thunder within 5 miles of the island. Lightning within 5 miles. They ask us to get out. They will keep us updated. And in the meantime, we got a mean game going on.
Well, just like a professional baseball game, a little bit of a rain delay, but we're back in business now, and now we found the whole crew. So now we got everybody here. We're all here at the pool. We got a few more that are trying to find their way over here, but here is everybody. Julie hanging out over there. And the rest of everybody. Hey! There we go. So, only people we lost are the kids, but I'm sure they're fine. Nah, they headed over to Chill Island there. They wanted to hit up the beach. We got the granddad.
You talk about one extreme to the next, but look at the clouds over there.
I know.
We're sending them back to Florida.
I know, this is crazy weather here. But it's beautiful, and it's a perfect day at Coco Cay. Took a bit, but now it's a perfect day at Coco Cay. Whew. So we spent the morning at the Oasis Lagoon. The kids found a little bit of sea lice when they ran over to the Chill Island beach. So it looks like we're gonna stay in the pool. We don't want a repeat of last year, but we're gonna grab something to eat. So over to Chill Island. Portobello and mozzarella, a Cuban shaved ribeye. Look at this stuff. French fries, hot dogs and hamburgers, corn. Look at that. Nobody's going home hungry today. Hey, Bri, what'd you get?
Burger, wings, fries.
Looks good, pal. The biggest line is for tacos. There you are. So what'd you get?
A portobello mushroom sandwich, cheesesteak sandwich, and I'm going over to the taco bar.
Taco bar. What do you got, Kev?
All I got was a burger and french fries.
2.
What do you have?
Ice cream.
How many ice creams?
2.
I guess there's no limit over here, huh? That's how we do the Oasis Lagoon. A little combination of spring break and a lot of fun. So if you haven't been to Coco Cay yet, it's where you want to be. So a lot of fun with the family today, a lot of fun with friends. Almost time to get back on the ship. See you in a little bit.
Coco Cay. Bring Coco Cay.
Do you like Coco Cay?
Yeah, it's great.
We're going to the island market because Katie, what do you want, Kai? We're gonna go get hair braided. All right. I think we found it, Kai. We're thinking about 8 to 10 braids, and I think I see them doing it already. Let's go look at the book, huh? Right. Like that? Yeah, I think that that's kind of what you were going for, right? All right, Kay, looking good. How's it feel? Weird. Well, you look good. What dress are we gonna wear tonight to dinner to match your braids? We'll have to go back and look, huh? All right, so there you have it. Katie just got her hair braided. It's
30 minutes.
about half hour. I think you're right. It took maybe about a half an hour, not too long, for 10 braids in her hair. And they have a whole album that you can look through so you can pick the style you want, and they have the prices right there. We're on Coco Cay. Some places, some islands, we negotiate a little bit more. Here we really didn't. We did talk to her. We made sure we gave her a nice little tip too. But what's nice is, and new as far as I know, but maybe not, we were able to put it on our CPAS card. So we were able to charge that to the room, and then we gave her a little bit of a cash tip. So Katie's super happy. We are too. And another fun day in the sun. So Katie, get out of the tree, because now we're gonna go find your brothers who are still in the pool. There she is. Oh, that's your own fault. Come on. Come on, kiddo. Let's go. Let's go find everybody else. The skies are getting a little dark, and we do have to be back on the ship by 4:30. It is 3:15. Let's go figure out what we're doing for dinner. All right, ready?
Well, this really was a perfect day at Coco Cay.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part?
Coco Cay.
Coco Cay. What was your favorite part, Caitlin?
Seeing my hair when it was all done.
Seeing your hair when it was all done. Look at those braids.
Actually, no. Eating my 2 ice cream cones.
You had a lot of ice cream. How many ice cream cones did you have today? Just 2?
That's a record.
Just 2.
It's a record.
Pretty sure she could have had a whole bunch more. Kev, what did you think of Coco Cay today?
Well, I feel like it was better. I kind of feel like it was better than, it was like the same as last time, but also better.
Same as last time, but
Because like all of our friends did it.
well, you heard it from Kev. Group cruise is the way to go. So if you want to head out on a group cruise, reach out to the How We Cruise channel. We do these group cruises all the time. We love coming down to Coco Cay. We have a couple group cruises left planned. We had a blast with our group today. Totally a lot of fun. And really with the thunderstorms, we weren't able to go much further than the Oasis Lagoon. But man, what a great time. So like, subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and we're gonna head to dinner.
Here we we are. We are actually back on the ship, dressed for dinner, and look who we can see. Hi guys.
Hi.
Yeah, we have some balcony. We're only a couple rooms apart. So we got lucky with the weather today. We are headed down to the main dining room. The boys may have some matching shirts, and the girls are dressed for a nice dinner. We don't have any real plans tonight. I think we might end up at the music hall. We'll see. And it's Italian night in the MDR tonight. So Kev, are you getting chicken parm? We'll see what everybody orders, but it is 4:45. We have a 5 o'clock dinner time. What do you say, guys? Let's do this. We got everything. Are you guys ready? Katie, why are we crawling on the ground? You want your cup? No?
Oh,
All right.
Brian, you have your cup? Yeah, I'm ready. You're going to start early.
Cruising with kids. Now we're trying to find our lanyards.
Nobody